We understand the challenges that you face and the inflexibilities associated with the traditional physical training classes. We have heard your cries, we understand your problems, and we have crafted a perfect solution for you. Welcome to Beina
Electronic Learning Management System,
eLMS. Hello, my name is Malam Ibrahim Lawal, Nigeria's first homegrown certified reliability engineer from the ASQ. I have a global certification, CMRP. I have a bachelor's degree in engineering and a master's degree in business administration. With about 30 years practical field experience, I am one of the co-founders of Beina Maintenance and Reliability Services Limited, as well as the Beina Capability Academy. I serve as the Chief Strategy Officer of both companies. I am going to be introducing you to our newly curated eLMS portal for your use. I now present the Beina eLMS Learning Portal, your gateway to self-paced professional development, offered exclusively by Beina Capability Academy Africa, the training arm of Beina Maintenance and Reliability Services Limited, right from the comfort of your home, anywhere in the world. Professionals can access the platform anytime, from anywhere, and choose courses tailored specifically to their capability development needs, enabling them to learn at their own pace and convenience from wherever they may be on the globe. Plus, all our eLMS offerings are of great qualities and affordable rates, ensuring that professionals can get the best possible professional deliveries from anywhere in the world.
Our newly created Electronic Learning Management System, eLMS, is designed to cater to professionals seeking to enhance their expertise in reliability management, maintenance management, quality management, project management, asset management, employee lifecycle development, business management, leadership, continuous improvement, supply chain management, and many more.
Beina eLMS also comes with unparalleled support from our numerous experts to guide you on your way to professional excellence, all the way until the completion of your training. Don't miss out on this golden opportunity to advance your career with the new Beina eLMS. Visit www.beinagroup.com today to sign up and take the first steps to unlocking your full potential. We have a 50% discount for the first 50 persons who buy our MRBP courses already available on the site. What are you waiting for? Join us today and be the professional you've always dreamt of being.
Beina Maintenance and Reliability Services, global quality made in Nigeria.